Well, I'm back in Knoxville. I'm back here later than I thought I was going to be, but I'm here for a day, going to do a shoot. So I might as well get some sort of food because I have only had a banana, and it's about 3:30 on a Sunday. So, hi, my name is Gabriel Manick. I'm an actor, and I am starving. Okay, well, I'm literally by the gas pumps because there's no place to sit over there in front of Weigel's. I think that's what it's called. I think I've heard one guy call it Weigel's. Maybe it's Weigel's. It's probably Weigel's. Sounds like Weigel's. So it's a Tennessee chain of gas stations. So, well, and you guys know that I haven't done it in a while, but I had those hot dog gas station hot dogs. Sorry. I'm a little out of it. I'm pretty out of it. This is literally the third location that I went to. So the intro with like the sign and all that kind of stuff, that is from 2 gas stations ago. Because I walked in there and I'm looking for the hot dogs. There are no hot dogs. The hot dogs are gone. Went up to the guy. I'm like, hey, you guys don't have hot dogs? And he's like, oh no, not this location. But the one right up the road does. I'm like, what is it, like a mile away? He's like, yeah, it's a mile up the road. I went in there and they just had corn dogs. And I'm like, hey, I was told you guys had hot dogs. He's like, no, we don't have hot dogs. And they're like, but it's a location just right back, like half a mile down. You make a left onto this road and they have hot dogs. I'm like, okay, cool, awesome, gonna have some hot dogs. I get to this location. Would you believe it? There ain't no fucking hot dogs. There ain't no fucking hot dogs in there. I have to say the fucking, because that's just what's happening. That's the mood I'm in. No hot dogs. They had like one in a bag like this, one jalapeno and cheese flavored corn dog. And I'm like, just give me something normal. So when I got to the register, I saw that they had these corn dogs, and these are apparently corn dog. That's a weird looking G, looks like a C. Corn dock. I'm having a corn dock right now, or about to have one. So I'm like, let me just get something. It said like the original corn dog. So hey, if this is an original, then that's what I got to review. So there we go. I haven't done a corn dog since those Korean corn dogs at OK Dog. I don't know what this is going to be like. I don't usually like corn dogs, but I'm hungry. It smells good. It's got a little bit of a crack right over there. Well, let's have at it. Hopefully I don't bite the stick. First bite's the one that counts when you are 20 minutes later having a corn dog and starving. Yeah. It's kind of like I'm biting into a pancake with a hot dog. That's why I think standard corn dogs should always have cheese in it. If they have cheese in that, why not? The hot dog's okay. It's pretty small, so it's not too filling. Could use a little more salt, but it's all right. I got the stick right over there. I don't know, guys. I was this close to doing like a donut or an apple turnover review because I was like, I might as well eat something. It's something that I actually want. But I mean, for some of you out there that do like corn dogs, you'd probably enjoy it. However, I'm okay with it. I'm okay with it. Probably also the mood that's gonna go into the score. And then when there were hot dogs, like there's a place for them, the grill's there, but there were none on there. And I asked the woman, I'm like, hey, are you gonna have hot dogs here? And she's like, it'll take me about 10 minutes. I'm like, well, I'm not gonna wait 10 minutes. I gotta go to my hotel and check in and stuff. So you do what you can in life, right? You do what you can. But this corn dog today, oh man, it's gonna get a 6.5. It's gonna get a 6.5. I don't know. I guess I'm just not a big fan of corn dogs, but it's just okay. It's just okay. Like I said, I think if you're a corn dog lover, you would enjoy these. And then like you gotta dip them in something. But hey, so thanks for watching. So the message for today, even though I'm in a mood right now because of this, it's important to know that, hey, look, things aren't always going to go the way you want in life. Like if you think things are going to go from A, B, C, D, like and so on, no, it's going to go from A to B to B.1 to B point 2 and then C point, you know, and so on and so forth. There are going to be detours and all that. And the important thing in life is to, let me put this away, is to have the ability to be adaptable, to the ability to adapt to whatever comes in life. Because if you don't, you're going to get pissed, you're going to get stressed, you're going to get depressed. But you can save yourself all that time and all those emotions that, you know, you can feel anyway, but why? And just be adaptable and be like, all right, cool, this is how I'm feeling right now. Process it, move forward. So thanks for tuning in, and I will see you on the next review.